If you're a dreamer, then you need to listen up. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Imagine a life where you can earn daily from the comfort of your own home. Picture yourself spending more time with your family, following your passions, and living life on your own terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. With our proven blueprint, thousands of people just like you are already making this dream a reality. Starting an online business has never been this accessible or rewarding. Whether you're tech-savvy or a total beginner, our step-by-step guide makes it easy for anyone to succeed. And the best part? You'll get a free copy of our exclusive 10K in 30 Days guide. It's packed with tips, tricks, and strategies to skyrocket your earnings. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and join a community of successful entrepreneurs who are living life on their terms. Enter your details now and get instant access to the blueprint that's changing lives. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the action you take right now. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get started today and see how easy it is to build the life you've always wanted. Click the link and take control of your future.